Thanks so much, Nick. Hello, Forever family. I am so excited to be with you today. I always feel like a kid on Christmas morning. Right as we're about ready to share the new products, I'm dying because I just want to tell you about the amazing experience that we've had over the last year creating these products and developing them with the highest quality and the highest safety in mind. Last year, as we were studying global consumer trends, we saw a trend that was quite shocking in the skincare industry. In fact, it was the fastest growing trend in skincare. We noticed that the most searched word by way of skincare was hydration. The second most searched word was moisturization. So we knew that today's consumer is looking for improved efficacy in their moisturizers. They want their skin to feel hydrated. Hydration provides immediate benefits. You can see the result the minute you put a product on your skin. Hydrated skin is also more strong to help protect itself against environmental stressors. We have an amazing range of skincare products designed to address individual skin types by way of Infinite by Forever and Sonia Daily Skincare. We have our targeted skincare section, which is designed to address an individual skin concern. We have our Awakening Eye Cream, our Biocellulose Mask, Protecting Day Lotion, which is designed for the complexion, and our amazing Smoothing Exfoliator. In that targeted skincare range, we saw an opportunity for a new product that will boost hydration. And I am so excited to introduce to you today a new product called Hydrating Serum. You're going to recognize this product. You're going to recognize the feel. You're going to recognize the fragrance because they're the similar or the same as found in Sonia Nourishing Serum. This product contains white tea, snow mushroom designed for environmental stressors. It contains hyaluronic acid, but we didn't stop there. We didn't just put a form of hyaluronic acid in this product. Nope, we actually used 4 types of hyaluronic acid designed to deliver this molecular sponge, which holds up to 1,000 times its weight in moisture directly to where the skin needs it most. Your skin will literally drink this product in. When you put it on, your skin feels so velvety. It absorbs very quickly. It can minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It helps protect your skin against environmental stressors, and it can boost the efficacy of any of your favorite Forever moisturizers. I've been using this product now for about 14 months, and I have to tell you, my skin has never been more healthy. It appears more youthful. It feels healthy. It is so soft to the touch, and I think that it's solely because of this new product, Hydrating Serum. Now, I'm drinking my aloe vera gel every single day, and I'm using my skincare products. You put this on your skin right before your favorite moisturizer. So to boost the efficacy of your favorite moisturizer, if you're going through a time of climate change or hormone change, or your lifestyle's changing and your skin feels simply just dry and parched, and you just feel like you can't quite get enough moisture, this product is going to be your new best friend. I sincerely think that there is not a makeup bag or a bathroom counter or a skincare regimen that should be without this new Hydrating Serum. You're going to love the way it feels. Your consumer is going to see immediate results, and I sincerely hope that this product helps bring you success in your business. Sending you big hugs and loves.